Hi guys, welcome to Sadi's SFDC. And this is Manoj. Classic versus Lightning. Agenda of this video is about knowing Classic UI and Lightning UI of Salesforce and its differences. Based on evolution of Salesforce can be split into two. Those are Classic and Lightning. We will see it in detail. When Salesforce started back in 1999, it was revolutionary to users at the time because no longer did they need to install a software on their computer to run a CRM or have a centralized database, and no need to have all kind of worries about scaling up and other issues. Classic. This is a web-based application that all you have to do is just use your credit card and sign up with some users and get charged a monthly fee. It is developed as a monolithic Java application because technology back then was very difficult from what it is now. They have to change. Why is a change needed? Over the period, the Salesforce application grow bigger and harder to manage. They are constrained by technology. And in 2015, they took a brave step of changing Salesforce into a loosely coupled component based architecture and named this change as Lightning. Feel the difference. In Lightning, apart from many backend changes, so many UI changes has been done from Classic. One of the big benefit of Lightning is if you write something in the Lightning framework like adding a field to a layout or you are using some functionality in a desktop view, that desktop view could be easily consumed on a tablet or a mobile device. You no need to redevelop the same functionality specifically for mobile or tablet. This page will be responsive to desktop, tablet, and mobile. How it benefits Salesforce? Salesforce converted its application from a monolithic application to a loosely coupled application. In loosely coupled applications, the main module and submodule will be split into two different entities. Whatever change you do it in the submodule will not affect the main module or other submodules. In this component based architecture, developers do not need to worry about others' development. They can choose their component and start working on it. Is classic Salesforce dead? No. Users still can use classic Salesforce. So now the development process becomes faster. Even after migrating to Lightning, there are some features only available at classic level. So Salesforce gave the opportunity to the users to use Lightning as well as Classic in the same Salesforce org. A license is enough to use Lightning as well as Classic. I will show you how to switch from Lightning UI to Classic UI. When you first log into your developer edition or a playground, you will see Lightning homepage as default. In the homepage, right top corner, click the profile icon. There is an option for switch to Salesforce Classic. If you click that link, page will be redirected to Salesforce Classic homepage. This is your Salesforce Classic homepage. Is Classic and Lightning independent of each other? No, the changes you do in Lightning will affect in Classic also, and vice versa. Database, application processing, and logic are the same. The change happens only in UI. For example, if you are entering a lead in Lightning, the same entry will reflected in Classic also. But still, some features are independent of Lightning and Classic. We can classify features of Classic and Lightning into three based on their availability. 1. Available in Classic. Some features like option to follow reports, pie charts in dashboards are available only in Classic because those are not migrated to Lightning. Due to the reason it has minimum significance and very less used. 2. Available in Lightning. Some features like news, assistance, instant activity capture are available only in Lightning. Those are created after migrating to Lightning. 3. Available in both. Some features like calendar, events, tasks are available in Classic and Lightning. But in some features like dashboard, if you create a dashboard in Lightning that cannot be viewed in Classic, but vice versa is possible. That is, dashboard created in Classic can be viewed in Lightning. Then guys, this is the page provided by Salesforce to know the difference between Lightning and Classic. I will give the link to this page in our description. Please go through it for more clarity. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.